Hi students. Students, in this session we are going to start our new lesson number 5, division. Okay, before that you have learned multiplication. Students, you are very well familiar with that concept, division. Correct? Last year you have solved dividing 2-digit numbers. Correct? Now this year you will learn dividing 3-digit numbers. Okay? So here we will see first revise first some concept. Okay? Look here. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Okay? And by which it is divided is called the divisor. By which it is divided is called the divisor. The answer is called quotient and the leftover number is called remainder. Now we will solve one example and we will see this dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So let's see example. Look here. Here we have to divide 784 by 7. Okay? We will divide 784 by 7. Now we will see the number to be divided is called the dividend. The number to be divided. So in this example, which number to be divided? 784. That number to be divided. So 784 is dividend. 784 is dividend. And what we see? The number by which it is divided. And by which it is divided. By which number 784 is divided? By 7. So it is called divisor. 7 is divisor. Look here. The number to be divided is called dividend. 784 is to be divided. So 784 is dividend. And by which it is divided? By 7 it is divided. So 7 is divisor. Now let's see find quotient and remainder. Okay. First we will write the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63 and 7 tens are 70. Okay. For your convenience, we write here table. Okay. Now, whenever you are going to any number, at that time remember that. Listen. Whenever you are going to divide any dividend, at that time you have to start from leftmost digit, and your leftmost digit is 7. Okay, so you have to start from number 7. Now if you observe 7, table of 7, you will understand that 7 is a multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7, so quotient will become 1. 7 ones are 7. Now we subtract 7 from 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Okay. Now next digit is 8. So 8 we will write below. Okay. So now we have to divide number 8 or digit 8. But if you observe, 8 is not multiple of 7. Okay. So we have to see less than 8. Less than 8 is 7. 7 ones are 7. So quotient will become 1. 7 ones are 7. Now subtract 7 from 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. Now remaining digit is 4. So we take it down. Right here. 14. Okay. Now we have to divide 14. Now 14 is a multiple of 7. Second multiple of 7. 7 twos are. So quotient will be 2. 7 Now subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. In this way, here we solve 784 by 7. 784 is dividend, 7 is divisor. Okay. Now first we divide. Leftmost digit is 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Next digit we take it down. 8. Again, quotient will become 1. 7 ones are 7. Then 8 minus 7, 1. Next digit is 4. 14. Now divide 14 by 7. 7 is a 14. Subtract, we get remainder here 0. Okay. Look here. Here we get answer 112. And we see here the answer is called quotient. So 112 is quotient. And left over number is 0. So left over number is called remainder. So 0 is remainder. Understood? The number to be divided is called dividend. So 784 is dividend. By which it is divided is called divisor. So 7 is divisor. The answer of division is called quotient. 112 is answer. So 112 is quotient. And leftover number is called remainder. So 0 is remainder. So understood everyone how to solve and how to find quotient and remainder. Okay. Now we will solve exercise 1. So let's see first question. Divide using long division. Write the quotient and remainder. Now you have learned how to divide 3-digit number by 1-digit number and how to find quotient and remainder. Okay. So now we will solve first example 276 by 2. Okay. We will solve it. 276 by 2. So you have learned the number which is divided is called dividend. So here 276 is a dividend. 276 is dividend. And the number by which it is divided is called divisor. So here 2 is divisor. Now we will start our division. First, we have to divide leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 2. So we will divide here 2 by 2. Okay. Now you know that 2 is stable. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. Quotient will come 2 ones are. So quotient will 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now subtract 2 from 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now next digit is 7. So take 7 right here below. Okay. Now 7. Here I will write 2 stable. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. If 7 is not multiple of 2. Okay. So we want here less than 7. Less than 7 is 6. Less than 7 is 6. So quotient 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. So quotient will become here 3. Now subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6, 1. Now remaining digit is 6. So 6 right here below. Now we have to divide 60 by 2. Now we will write next table. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 60. 60 is multiple of 2. 2 8s are. So quotient will come 8. 2 8s are 60. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So here we get leftover number is 0. And here we get answer 138. So 138 is quotient. 138 is example and how we get here quotient and remainder. So quotient here 138 and remainder is 0. Okay. Now we will see next example. Next example is 474 divided by 4. Okay. 474 divided by 4. So here dividend is 474. 474 is dividend. And by which we are going to divide number 4. So 4 is divisor. Okay. Now we have to divide leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 4. Okay. So here first we will divide 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4. So quotient will be 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Next digit is 7. So 7 will right here be. Look at table of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Now here we have to divide 7. But 7 is not multiple of 4. So we have to see less than 7. Less than 7 is 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Now next last digit is 4 dividing 34. Now we will complete 4 steps. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. But we want here 34 is not multiple of 4. So we want here less than 34. Less than 34 is 32. Okay. Less than 34 is 32. Now quotient will be 4 8s are 32. So quotient will become here 8. 4 8s are 32. Now subtract 32 from 34. Subtract 32 from 34. 4 minus 2, 2. And 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. Look here. We get left row number here 2. Here we divide 474 by 4. We get answer 118. So 118 is quotient. And 2. Left row number is 2. So 2 is remainder. In this way, we get here quotient 180 and remainder 2. Okay? Understood how we solve this example? Next example is 672 divided by 3. Okay? Now we will divide it. 672 divided by 3. So here 672 is dividend. And 3 is divisor. Okay. Now we will divide first leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 6. Okay. We will write first 3 step. Okay. Now 6. If you observe this table, you will understand that 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 2s are 6. 2s are. So quotient will become 2. 3 2s are 6. Now subtract 6 from 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Next digit is 7. So 7, take it below. 7. 7 is not multiple of 3. But we want less than 7 is 6. Less than 7 is 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Now subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6, 1. Next digit is 2. So 2, take it below. 12. Okay. 12. 12 is multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus So here we get, now all digits we have divided and we get here leftover number is 0. So here we divide 672 by 3, we get answer 224. So 224 is portion and leftover number is 0. So 0 is okay. We divide 672 by 3, we get portion 224 and remainder 0. Now we will solve next example. 475 divided by 5. So here the number which is divided 475. 475 is divided. And by which it is divided? Divisor. So 5 is a divisor. 475 is divided. And 5 is divisor. Okay. Now we have to divide leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 4 and 4 is less than 5. Okay. So we have to choose here leftmost 2 digit 47. First we will write 5 table. Okay. 47. We choose here 47, but 47 is not multiple of 5. So less than 47 is 45. Less than 47 is 45. And 45 is 9th multiple of 5. 5 nines are. So quotient will become 9. Okay. 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Next digit is 5. 25. Now if you observe this table, 25 is multiple of 5. 25 is multiple of 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here we divide 475 by 5. We get answer 95. So 95 is portion. And leftover number is 0. So 0 is remainder. Okay. So here we divide 475 by 5. We get here answer 95. 95 is portion and we get leftover number is 0. 0 is remainder. So understood how we solve this both example. How to find portion, how to find remainder. Okay. Next example is 558 divided by 6. So in this example 558 is a dividend. And by which we are going to divide that number? By 6. So 6 is a divisor. Okay. Now we have to choose first leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 5 and 5 is less than 6. So we have to choose leftmost 2 digit. 55. Okay. So first we write 6 table. Okay. Now 55. 55 is not multiple of 6. So we have to take here less than 55. Less than 55 is 54. 6 9s are 54. Okay. Now subtract 5 minus 4, 1. And 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Next digit is 8. 18. 18 is a multiple of 6. 6 3s are. So quotient will be 3. 6 3s are 18. 8 minus 8 0. 1 minus 1 0. In this way, here we solve 558 by 6. 550 is 58 is dividend and 6 is divisor. We get answer 93. 93 is quotient. And leftover number is 0. So 0 is remainder. In this way, we get quotient 93 and remainder 0. Okay? See, second word problem. The product of two numbers is 512. If one number is 4, find the other. Look here. First read word problem carefully. The product of two numbers is 512. If one number is 4, find the other. So here we are given product. Product is 512 and one number is given. One number is 4. You have to find other number. So to find other number, you have to divide product by one number. Means here we divide 512 by 4. Okay. So let's see here division. Look here, 512 divided by 4. So you have learned the number which is divided is called dividend. So 512 is dividend, and the number by which we are going to divide, that number is called divisor. So here 4 is divisor. Okay. So 512 is dividend and 4 is divisor. Now here I have written table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. Okay, means it's easy to solve this example. Okay, actually that table it must be learned. Okay, your table 2 to 30 it must be learned. Means then you can solve any division problem easily. Okay, so see, now first we will divide leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 5. Okay, but if you observe 4 table, 5 is multiple of 4. Is it there? No. So we have to choose here. Dividend is 5, but we want less than this 5. So less than 5 is 4 and quotient will be 4 1s are. 4 1s are. So quotient will come 1. 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now 5 minus 4 1. Okay. Now next digit is 1. So we write here 1 down. Now 11. Dividend is here 11. But if you also observe, 11 is not multiple of 4. Okay. So we have to choose here less than 11 is 8. And 8 is 4 2s are. 8 is multiple of 4. But it is second multiple of 4. Correct? 4 2s are 8. So quotient will come 2. 4 2s are 8. Now we subtract 8 from 11. 11 minus 8. Subtraction will come 3. Now next digit is 2. So 2 right here below. Now 32. You observe 4 table. 32 is a multiple of 4. Correct? 32 is a multiple of 4. And if you see that table, it is 8th multiple. 32 is 8th multiple of 4. 4 8s are 32. So quotient will come 8. 4 8s are. So quotient will come 8. 4 8s are 32. Okay. Now subtract 32 minus 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Look here. Now all digits we have divided by 4. Okay. Now here we get answer. We get answer 128 and we call it quotient. 128 is quotient. And remainder we get here 0. So 0 is remainder. But if you read that word problem, so what is asked here? Here we have to find the other number. Okay, and other number we got here 128, and that is our answer. So other number is 128. Okay. So here we get answer 128. Understood? How we solve this word problem? Number, look here. Mohit packs 8 balls in one box. How many boxes will be needed to pack 168 balls? Listen again. Once we will read word problem again. Mohit packs 8 balls in one box. How many boxes will be needed to pack 168 balls? Means here given in one box 8 balls, and we have to find out how many boxes will be needed to pack 168 balls. So here we have to divide 168 by 8. Okay? So let's divide 168 by 8. Look here, 168 divided by 8. So we know that we have done the number which is divided is called dividend. So 168 is dividend. And the number by which we are divided, the number is called divisor. Okay, this is divisor. Okay, now let's write a table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 sixes are 8 eights are 84, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Okay, now first you have to start from leftmost digit, but here leftmost digit is 1. Okay, and 1 is less than 8. So here we have to choose leftmost first 2 digit is 60. Okay, so if you observe this table, you will understand that 16 is multiplier of 8. 8 twos are 60. So quotient will be 2. Okay, 8 twos are 16. 16 subtract from 60. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Next digit is 8. So write it down. 8. 8 is multiplier of 8. 8 ones are 8. So 1 is quotient. 8 minus 8, 0. So here we get answer 21. We called it quotient. Is our quotient. And leftover number is 0. So 0 is remainder. Okay. So what they ask, how many boxes will be needed to pack? So how many boxes will be needed? 21 boxes. So finally right answer. Thus 21 boxes will be needed to pack. Pack 168 boxes. Okay, so that is our answer. Thus 21 boxes will be needed to pack 168 balls. Okay, next word problem. Diya sticks 5 pictures on a page. Look here, Diya sticks 5 pictures on a page. If she has 560 pictures, how many pages will she need? On one page, how many pictures she pastes? 5 pictures. Total, how many pictures she has? 560. So stick 560 pictures. How many pages needed? Okay, so here we have to divide 560 by 5. to get our answer. Okay, so we will divide it. 560 by 5. So look here, 560. So 560 is dividend. 560 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Okay, now first we will write table. 5 is 5. Okay, now we will start from leftmost digit. Leftmost digit is 5. Okay, and 5 is multiplier of 5. 5 is multiple of 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Now next digit is 6. So write it down. Now here if you observe 6 is not multiple of 5. So we have to see just less than 6 is 5. So 5 ones are 5. Total will be 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Next digit 0. 10. 10 is multiple of 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So here we get answer 112. 112 is portion. And what they ask, how many pages will C need? Our answer is 112 and 0 is remainder. So what will be the answer? Thus C will need 112 pages. Okay. To stick how many pages? To stick 560 pictures. C needed 112 pages. Okay. Because we get 0 remainder. In this way, we find answer of this word problem.